Welcome to Brinson Ford Lincoln Mercury, a National President Award winner and certified Blue Oval dealer.
Get noticed in this 2005 Dodge Stratus. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Run all over town and back home again without worrying about filling up when driving this fuel-efficient ride. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
To schedule a test drive, call us at 903-874-8880. Remember that all Brinson Ford pre-owned come with a minimum of a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty.